Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SUI. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that SUI first broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and after that, it formed another up channel on a daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally it broke down the support of this up channel. By the way, before the breakdown, you can see that it formed this rising wedge pattern as well, and the movement was quite squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern. Finally, we have broken down the support, but after the breakdown, now recently it has formed another falling wedge pattern. You can see here we have the support, and here we have the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And with the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, we also have another resistance of this red line, that is the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SUI. And this trade that have produced almost 10% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SUI that I shared on 30th of March 2024 with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move, and you can see it was about to complete the final leg of this AB equal to CD move. And if we take a look at the targets, then here you can see that here we had the buying zone, and these were the sell targets from 1.97 to $2.05, and this was the stop loss below $1.85. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg, entered the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal, and the price line reached the sell target zone here. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of SUI, and this is the daily time frame chart. This one is a daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this wedge. By the way, before that, it was moving inside this channel. And before that, on a weekly time frame chart, it had been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And you can see that we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern on the 7 day time frame chart here on in the month of October 2023. And then we had a very powerful rally from this low to here. You can see that it rallied more than 503%. By the way, the technical target for the breakout that I've been telling you in my previous videos was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at $1.25, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target approximately up to $2.18. And during this rally on a daily time frame chart, so we formed this up channel, and when it was moving inside this channel, in that time period, you can see that this red line, the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart, the exponential moving average 21, has been working as a very nice support. Like, we have tested the EMA 21 here as a support, here several times as a support. Here we had another bounce from EMA 21, and finally we have broken down the support of EMA 21 and the support of the channel together at the same time here in the month of Feb 2024. And after the breakdown, you can see that the price line has now recently formed this quite wide falling wedge pattern. And here we have the support, and this one is a resistance. You can see that we had a bounce from the support here. We had another bounce here, and this was the most recent bounce that was happening here on 13th of April 2024. And you can see that the price line is testing the resistance so many times, and it is testing the resistance more than support. That is a quite clear signal that eventually the price line can break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. However, the technical target for this breakdown from this down channel is here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 56 cents. And you can see that so far the price line has dropped down up to 88.5 cents. Here, by the way, you can watch the lowest price, that is at 88.5 cents. But after the formation of this falling wedge pattern, there is a probability that the price then may drop as that went down to hit the 56 cents target to the downside. However, if the price then breaks down this support and reaches the support of the falling wedge pattern, then it can hit the support of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at 67 or 66 cents. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and you can see that now the movement is also quite squeezed between this support of $1 that had been previously working as a support here, and now again it is working as support and the resistance of this wedge, and therefore the movement is getting squeezed inside these two support and resistance levels. In case of breaking down the support of $1 first, we will have another next support here at approximately at 90 cents that had been previously breaking as support here and resistance here as well, and then it can drop down here at the support of the channel. And now after getting squeezed inside this wedge between this support of $1 and resistance of the wedge, there is a probability that soon it may break this pattern to the upside. And in case of breaking out, and by the way, there is another signal on this daily time frame chart, and that is the stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and it is moving slightly down and forming lower than previous low, and the price line is not able to so far form another lower than previous. So yes, if it will break down this support and this support as well, then it can form another lower than previous low. Then this signal of hidden bullish divergence. By the way, this is the signal of the hidden bullish divergence as the oscillator, stochastic oscillator is forming lower than previous low, and the price line is forming higher low than previous low. Therefore, there is another signal for the price reversal. And in case of breaking out this band, the final target to the upside for this breakout will be here at the top of the bed. That will be approximately at $2.20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.